Here's the new smoker for the restaurant. No Coca-Cola refrigerator, lined with cedar all around the outside, which I scorched with a weed burner down there. And I have hooked up to it my homemade cold smoke generator, a couple of tin cans, some copper pipe, and it has a little small pipe running through the top of it, and it's powered by an aquarium pump. There's a little opening down at the bottom there. That's where you put your pellets and light them. And let's open it up and see what it's doing. It is pumping smoke. You can see down here the pipe it comes out of. And I'm just seasoning the inside of the smoker right now. Having 5 shelves built, some angle iron, and expanded metal that are going to go in here. You can probably get 200-300 pounds of meat in here. The pellet hopper's coming for the hot smoking.